Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with meteorologist Juan Acuna.
Hi everyone, welcome back. This is the Wilcox Furniture Forecast, and again, a pretty nice day here in the Coastal Bend to end out the weekend. But of course, it's still plenty hot as well. We're taking a live look at our CCRV6 weather bug out on I-37 in Suntide, where temperatures are in the lower 90s and it's feeling like 103. The winds are coming down just a little bit. They're out of the southeast at 12, but they were gusting earlier today at 30 miles an hour at Corpus Christi International, 22 miles an hour off in Kingsville, as well as up in Ingleside. So there were some locations that are a little bit windy out there. And remember, we continue to have burn bans across a good portion of the Coastal Bend, Clayburgh and Kennedy County not included. But again, if you are under one of these burn bans, definitely not a good idea to be burning outdoors, especially with the winds being a little bit elevated. Could create a problem for area firefighters if one did start out there. As we go throughout the rest of the evening and going into tomorrow morning, the winds are going to be calming down. That will allow temperatures to drop in the middle 70s for tonight. But then tomorrow afternoon, another gentle breeze, more east-southeasterly off the Gulf of Mexico. We continue to have coastal flood advisories. Boaters and mariners do use caution out there, as some of that is reaching up close to the dunes out there. So use caution. And again, 10 to 15 tomorrow afternoon. They calm down once again on Tuesday morning, and then on Tuesday afternoon, a little bit more of a breeze out there around 8 to 16 miles an hour. So again, that could cause some occasionally choppy conditions out near the bay. So once again, use caution. Again, a little bit of activity this afternoon. Again, almost over 3/10 of an inch of rain officially out at the airport. So that was nice. Right now, we just have some activity, some light to moderate thunder showers just north of Alice, between Alice and Orange Grove, right around the Alfred area and west of Banquetti. And out near San Diego, just to the east of Benavides as well. And we continue to have a little shower just south of George West around Three Rivers and up around Pettis and near Pawnee as well, just north of Pawnee. We got a little bit of some light shower activity there. But again, everyone is recording zeros. Corpus Christi International was the only one to pick up 33/100 of an inch of rain, but that's still good for us here. Any folks that can get some rainfall is some good news. Again, we're at 91 degrees right now. As you go through later on this evening, if you have some plans, it's going to be not bad out there. We will hold on to some cloud coverage as temperatures hold on to the middle to lower 80s. So we start off warm and muggy early in the morning, 76 there, some sea breeze showers in the afternoon. Again, starting off near the coastline and pushing inland as we go throughout the day. 92 at 5 o'clock. It is going to be pretty hot and humid as we look for 93 here, upper 80s to lower 90s right near the coastline and into the middle to upper 90s for our inland areas. There are some frontal boundaries again tomorrow, the first day of fall. Cooler temperatures behind this. That's where the frontal boundary is, and there's where that front is in North Texas at this point. Behind the front, it's not a strong front, only into the 60s and 70s, but Amarillo is at 79 versus Dallas at 93. And of course, over the southeastern half of the United States, it's very warm there as we're continuing to be under the influence of high pressure. Still plenty of moisture off here in the Gulf of Mexico. This front is not headed our way. That's going to retreat back up to the north as a warm front here, and we're going to hold on to the opportunity for just a couple of showers here, especially as that little Gulf moisture continues to come in. So right in near the coastline early in the morning and then in the afternoon, all that activity will push inland, and then we'll repeat the process once again going on into Tuesday afternoon as well. Rainfall amounts will vary widely, but do consider yourself lucky if you pick up just a couple of tenths of an inch of rain over the next several days. So as you look at our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, here you have it. We go into the middle 90s for tomorrow, 93 there, 94 on Tuesday, and up to 94 on Thursday afternoon, but more straight isolated showers for next weekend. Stay with us. Jeff Dubroff is coming up next with sports.